Okay, so those of y'all that have watched any of my other videos, you know I carry this POM Spray Mace on my bike. And I had it mounted to the handlebars on a previous version, and I had it in the battery box on a couple of rides toward the end of the fall. I found this online. Yep, found it at China. And this is supposed to mount on the water bottle stays. And then this should, theoretically, is tight. Snap in there. And then you got the little bungee to come over there. So that way, it's going to be mounted right here, readily accessible when I'm on the bike. And it'll probably be quicker to reach that than pull it out of a pocket too. So let's put that on and see how this is gonna look on the bike. I like that. It fits, it's tight, it's snug, it's easy to reach when I'm riding. It's kind of concealed, comes off easy. And let's see here, I'll even go back with it like that. And there, not bad, huh? All right, man, that's it. See ya.